Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is my fall FabFitFun unboxing. If you guys haven't heard of FabFitFun before, it is a seasonal subscription box. I will leave the link for it down below, but it is $49.99 a season, but if you use the code down below, you will get $10 off the first box. Also, what I like about FabFitFun is you are able to customize your box. There are like 3 items I think that come in every single box, but the other items you get a choice between. So I really like that, because then you know you're getting something that you're going to use, especially for a higher priced box. You want to get the best bang for your buck. So I really like that they give you the customization options. So if you guys are interested to see what is in my FabFitFun box for the fall, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this is the FabFitFun box for the fall. And then this is the little magazine that tells you all the items inside the box and their prices. In my last video, I told you guys what you could have the choice between, but this time I'm just going to show you guys what was in my box itself and the price value for it. So first I went with the mystery choice. The first mystery item is the Dermasuri Deep Exfoliating Mitt, and it just says visibly removes dead skin instantly. So this is what it looks like. It just goes over your hand here, and you just, you know, wash your body and, you know, exfoliate. So I really like this. And this retails for $20. $20 for a mitt. So the next item in the mystery bag was the Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. And it says overnight treatment effectively revitalizes dull-looking skin, focuses on fine lines, wrinkling, and large pores, great for age spots and uneven skin tone, and then multitasking facial and décolleté applications. This is the bottle for the serum right here, and this retail, don't know what it really smells like, but it smells like chemically or alcohol-y, and yeah. This retails for $42. Like, that's insane. So I will definitely have to try this out and see. It says it has glycolic, salicylic, and L-absorbic acids. So next I chose the Nassif MD Dermaceuticals Detox Pads. And it says just a few swipes of this cleansing pad deep cleans, exfoliates, and firms your skin appearance while softening lines and wrinkles. And this retails for $45, and you get 60 face pads in there. So it says exfoliating, so I like that already, but we shall test it out and see. So next is this Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals, and I've never tried any like vitamin C things for my skin, so that's why I picked this option. And you get 6 grams of product, so 0.2 ounces of product, this little thing right here. It brightens the skin like vitamin C. Added dose of 100% pure absorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. I'm definitely interested to give this a try, but if I love it, I'm definitely not going to repurchase this, because this little guy right here is $54. So this little thing costs more than the box does by $5 for this little thing right here. So yeah. So next is this After Spa hair towel, and you can see I've already used it. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't even fit in the whole screen. There we go. But this is just a hair towel, and I have one from Five Below that I got a while ago, and apparently I've been using it wrong, because I always thought the round part here went over your forehead, and that you put, you know, the ends of your hair in here and you tie it up this way. Apparently you're supposed to do this upside down, like with your head tilted, and this goes underneath, like in the back of your head, and then you put all your hair into it from the front, and then you secure it in the back. So yeah, I found that out by looking at the back. So I found out I did it wrong for like 4 or 5 years using a hair towel. I really like this, and it works so much better than the Five Below one. And I have a lot of hair, like I have thick hair, I don't have really long hair, but all my hair fits in here just fine. The other one is a little bit smaller, so not all my hair fit, and it would like be too small to like get around my head and, you know, latch it properly. But this hair towel is $18, so I don't know how that compares to like most hair towels, but I mean, I like it, so. Next, I got this Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner, and I guess that it's perfect for all skin types, so definitely really interested in this product, and this retails for $3. Next 3 items are items that everybody gets in their box. Is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, and I don't do much with my hair, so I've not really tried a lot of hair products, but my hair is pretty damaged, so I'm definitely interested in trying this. I've never tried Aveda because it's kind of expensive, and I don't spend a lot of money on my hair because it's in braids or ponytail 98% of the time, so yeah. But this retails for $30, and I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I'm definitely interested. Just in Aveda products in general, I've heard good things about, so definitely interested to try this. Are these Hype RA Exfoliating Sugar Cubes, and it's the Juice Cleanse. I guess that's like the scent of it, and oh, that smells so good. Get these exfoliating cubes. You just run these under water, or like if you're in the bath, you just dip it in the tub and then, you know, exfoliate yourself with them. So I'm definitely interested in using those. Clearly exfoliating products, which I'm not complaining about because I love exfoliating, because I love having smooth face and smooth skin. So definitely interested in using those. Retails for $16. In the box you get this Humankind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle. It smells pretty good. It doesn't have a really strong like scent or anything. Ooh. And that absorbs into your skin really quick. It doesn't feel too thick. It's a thinner formula, but it moisturizes really well. It's not super thick that you're gonna like feel all gross having it on your body all day. Perfect for, you know, fall and winter. You can never have too much lotion because you don't want to have dry, flaky skin. And that retails for $18. All 9 items in my box, the retail value came out to being $273, which I think for a $49 box, $50 box, that's really good. And if you sign up for the whole year, you technically end up saving $10 on each box, so you're saving $20 a year. So technically this box cost me $45 for $273 worth of product. So okay guys, so that is everything I got in my fall FabFitFun box. If you guys are interested in signing up, I will leave the information for FabFitFun down below. Again, I think it's a really great value for what you get, considering you get to pick some of the items in your box. And most of the items like that you can pick are gonna make up the cost of the box anyways. Like either with the 1 item or like 2 items already makes up the cost of the box. So if you know you're getting 2 things that you are going to love and use, then I definitely recommend trying out FabFitFun. And FabFitFun, what items did you get in your box? What was your retail value? I would love to know. But yeah, that is it guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notifications so you guys know every single time I upload. And yeah, love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!